Hey, this is Andrew Rains with Apex Pro. Today we have a very exciting announcement. Apex Pro new app version 150 and newer will include the capability to connect the app directly to a GoPro. This will allow you to sync a Bluetooth-enabled GoPro, which are GoPro Heroes 9 through 13, any of those models, alongside your Apex Pro Gen 2 hardware and basically start the video and the data at the same time so that when you save those sessions, they're the same size, and then you can easily overlay the powerful data and the awesome camera angles you can get from your GoPro to create the most powerful motorsport overlays for a very cost-effective price point. Also, within the Apex Pro app, you can transfer data directly, or I'm sorry, video directly from the GoPro into the app for rendering. The app makes that nice and easy. So this is a really cool announcement. This feature is going to be in beta testing until June 1st. It will launch around May 7th. It'll be free for all users until June 1st. After June 1st, it will be part of our monthly and annual subscription pricing, which is a $10 a month or $100 a year subscription. So get in there, test it if you're going to be at the track in the next month, give us some feedback, help us find any problems or bugs with it, and then subscribe to the app after that point and use this great feature. I think you'll be super excited and really thrilled with it. I've used it, it's worked really well, and love having this really great video with my Apex Pro data.